Hello, all. Welcome to the day 8 of the daily case study series for Cbse grade 12. Today's question goes like this: P of x is equal to minus 5x square plus 125x plus 37,500 is the total profit function of the company, where x is the production of the company. First subdivision: what is the production when the profit is maximum? That is, here we have to figure out the value for x for which the profit will be maximum. So to do that, let's find p dash of x. P dash of x is minus 10x plus 125, making this p dash of x equal to 0. Minus 10x plus 125 is equal to 0. 10x is 125, x equal to 12.5, and this is a critical point. So we have to figure out whether this is going to return a maximum profit. So to do that, let's get p double dash of x, which is equal to minus 10. Since the second derivative is negative, x equal to 12.5 is the local maxima. That is, the profit will be maximum at this point. So answer is option B. Second subdivision, what will be the maximum profit? We just have to substitute this value of 12.5 in the P of x. P of x at x equal to 12.5 minus 5 times 12.5 the whole square plus 125 times 12.5 plus 37,500. On calculating this, we get 38281.25. Subdivision 3. Check in which interval the profit is strictly increasing. Let's analyze the behavior of p dash of x in the two intervals. One is x less than 12.5, that is 0, 12.5. P dash of x is minus 10x plus 125. This becomes positive. Choose one value within this range and substitute that in that p dash of x. Then we will know what is this going to return. So in that way, it's a positive value, which means the function is strictly increasing. Second case is when x is greater than 12.5, that is 12.5 comma infinity. Again, let's choose one value within this range, say 13, and substitute that in the p dash of x. It returns a negative value, which means the curve is, or the function is, strictly decreasing. So the question is asking in which interval the profit is strictly increasing. It increases in 0, 12.5, so the option is D. Subdivision 4. When the production is 2 units, what will be the profit of the company? That is, when x takes 2, what is P of x? P of x when x equal to 2. Minus 5 times 2 square plus 125 times 2 plus 37,500. On calculating this, we get 37,730. Answer is option B. Subdivision 5. What will be the production of the company when the profit is 38,250? So this time the profit is given, but X is asked for. That is, P of X is 38,250 minus 5x square plus 125x plus 37,500 is equal to 38,250. Minus 5x square plus 125x. On subtracting these two quantities, we get minus 750 is equal to 0. Dividing the entire expression by minus 5, we get x square minus 25x plus 150 is equal to 0. On further factorizing this expression, we get x minus 10 into x minus 15 is equal to 0. That is, x can take 10 and 15. But in the given option set, we have only 15. So the answer is option E. Let's meet tomorrow with another case study question. Thank you all.